Violent.
F.
Same with fire.
Yeah.
Just is magic.
With MacBook Pro and ThinkPad.
Actually, let's see if I'm gonna edit the original dump, but I'm gonna write the original dump so that it doesn't give me that file size change there.
Why don't you just wipe my dump?
You put it like that. Do they have people that you can pay to do that for you?
If you wipe the dump, it's not going to turn on at all.
If you wipe my dump, I don't think you're going to hear a long dump.
HXD. Exit.
So now I'm having to take this video because I don't think I can take a. I don't think I'm going to take a trackpad video with my new silver unibody ThinkPad. I think I'm going to be throwing you down the stairs instead. That's how this is going to
Is that the same along the way?
It really isn't.
It is late night at Practical Board Repair School.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1.
Yeah, but yeah, Practical Board Repair by day, iPad rehab, sweatshop at night.
Right?
And whatever this is.
11. Here we go. Replace. Forward. Why does it change the fucking file?
No, it might change it.
It says it might change the file. What if I just try to replace MacBook Pro with MacBook Pro? MacBook Pro. But if this doesn't replace it, then this.
Oh shit.
Fuck. That doesn't do it. Replace?
This is some BS.
So if this is longer than this, that means there's a EFI password and just erase after that.
All the scams, man.
This is for educational purposes.
Yeah, scam school. I gotcha.
You know?
Yeah, programming.
Don't you
Whoa.
think? Yeah, not cool. Leave it down flat. What is wrong with you?
That is not a device unavailable or error.
I think the main stairs will be good because they're sort of like you can just like roll down them rather than like me having to like throw you down the.
My laptop will not see your chip anymore.
Not my problem.
Here we
Fix
go.
it.
Let's lift this up. Look at that Mini Pro move.
I can't see any of these lights. Yeah, I think we should make. Let's like reorganize this room and make like two. I can bring another projector so we could do two like.
There's not projectors. There's not enough hot air stations. We have 2.5 hot air. Red blazers.
You did not.
Yeah.
It didn't fucking work.
You put red blazer?
Yeah,
That's
it's
pretty
okay.
funny.
Somewhere,
Red blazer.
imagine if you go to Apple Store somewhere, it says Red Blazer.
No, that's the thing. Somewhere in this BIOS it says red blazers. I just don't know where. I should take the BIOS chip off so I redo this.
How many times in your educational studies, Sonny, is it possible to take one soldered on BIOS chip on and off a Retina MacBook that is not even yours?
About 6 to 8 times.
6 to 8, and then
it doesn't read anymore. I would know. I did
Louis Rossman, what the heck are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out where the crap I put in your SPI ROM is.
I did this 16 times with.
This computer doesn't contain any SPI devices. It doesn't think it has a BIOS.
It's because Red Blazer is not one of the Apple engineered BIOSes.
Yeah, your warranty is long time now.
Stairs.
No, it's
This
just,
I really don't
it
understand.
says
why
so
I
on
did
mine too.
What?
It doesn't contain any SPI devices. I don't even think the computer knows the BIOS.
Did we bring the clip with us or no?
Why is the chip still sitting on this reader?
Did we bring any the clip with us?
No.
Fuck. I want to be able to clip this and redo it.
Oh yeah, you could definitely clip that.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Where's the clip?
What do you mean clip?
I'm gonna express
What
it
is
here.
clip?
I guess the flux was your warranty. Edit little solders.
I told you, you're definitely not allowed to start my MacBook with flux on it, no matter what. Stairs, Lewis. It's gonna be really painful. I'm gonna throw your head first
I
now.
already burned that cereal.
You want the
sticker
clip?
with the hot air.
I'll buy the
Show
clip.
the rape of the iFixit MacBook here. Here, talk about repairability. What's the repairability score on a MacBook that
10 out
has
of
had
10.
the BIOS reprogrammed?
It's actually better because they stopped using that heat-sinked BIOS chip, so you can remove the BIOS chip from the board easier. And since it has legs, you can actually just cut the legs off. You don't need hot air to do this reprogramming. So I give the Retina repairability score of 10 out of 10. So it's taking a step forward and making the SPI-ROM programming that much easier to people who buy these things stolen and need to remove the passwords from them. Like I just removed the password from the Retina that Jessa stole from the hotel room that she's staying in, where somebody left it here.
What are you talking about? The one Underdog peed on?
You didn't have a Retina before, and now you do, because I removed the password from it.
Do you want the clip, Lewis?
Yeah.
Oh,
I want to put a new password on it.
Yeah, and it's be a big long one called Lewis's porn is mixed in with his schematics.
That's something I really should have fixed before coming to a board repair.
Yeah.
It's in the same downloads folder. I let everything go to downloads folder.
Alright.